Oh boy, have I got a hot tip for you guys to make $15 over and over again. I know it sounds clickbaity, but it's not, so stick around and I'll show you. Assalamu alaikum, this is Danish and welcome to my channel Affiliate Stand. Before we get into the video, I would really appreciate if you could just smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know whenever I release my new video. Oh my god, that is a long speech. Anyway, man, have I got something special for you guys. I've been getting some complaints. People have been complaining that I only post videos which have affiliate offers that pay only through PayPal. What about us? What about people who are living in countries where PayPal doesn't operate? What about us, Danish? Well, I have good news for you. In this video, I am going to share you a way that you can make money and withdraw your commissions anywhere in the world. All you need is to submit your bank details, and this new source of making money online will transfer the funds directly into your bank accounts. So, what is this website that I talk about? It's called ClicksFly. Yes, sirree, ClicksFly. It's a URL shortener, just like Bitly, just like TinyURL, but the only difference is that they are asking you to promote their link shortener, and not just only promote the website, but also they are willing to let you earn money by having traffic driven to your shortened links. All you have to do is submit the website and shorten the link and share it all over Facebook, Quora, or YouTube even, and drive traffic to that shortened link. And every time someone clicks, well, not every time, as soon as you reach 1,000 views, you will get $15 per 1,000 views. Now, I know it doesn't sound much, but if any one of you know how people are getting paid through YouTube videos, it's much faster and much lucrative than that, because YouTube EPC is, I know they pay around $3 or $4 per 1,000 views, and these people, these ClicksFly good people, are paying $15. And it may vary region to region, depends which region you belong to, but still, it's not gonna go lower than $3, that's for sure. Now, $15 is for our Tier 1 region, I guess, and then they have different rates for different regions. Yeah, over here, let me know. Let me show you guys. Iceland, 15, 13, 12, 10. So it drops, but it doesn't reach $2 or $1. It's pretty good. 1,000 clicks. If you're sharing something that is liked by a lot of people, that is an interest that a lot of people like to. Well, for example, just how about football highlights or basketball highlights? That's pretty top-notch videos. These videos do well on YouTube. Let me show you. Let me give you an example. For NBA highlights today. 3 days ago, 5.2 million. Come on, guys. And it doesn't matter which video you're trying to which video link you're trying to shorten. It doesn't matter, because you just click this video, copy this. Sorry about that. And just shorten the link over here at ClicksFly. Just paste it. Let's see what happens. Oh, I haven't registered yet, but But you know how Bitly works exactly the same way. All you gotta do is shorten the link and share these highlights on I don't know, some sports page in Facebook, or maybe Quora Essentials. What was the name of Quora groups? There's Sessions, yes, Quora Sessions, or well, I was about to say Reddit, but I realized that Reddit doesn't like URL shorteners, so yeah, it's not going to work over there. But you can work on Yahoo Answers, Facebook groups, and lots of places. There are a lot of forums and message boards related to every interest in the world, every topic in the world. So it's not just NBA highlights. It could be related to, I don't know, health and fitness, maybe some green juice stuff, or maybe even how to make money online. My niche, the niche that I have on YouTube. So it's pretty easy money, and it's not just the traffic that you bring in through the URL shortener or the shortened link. It's also you can make money through referrals. Yes, referral. You refer someone, and that person signs up and share the links, and whatever he makes or she makes, you get 35% of that commission. Okay, so it's like a two-tier commission income stream. You make income. You make the commissions by sharing your own links, and you also make commissions by having some cut from the commissions of your referrals. So it's pretty neat, and it's very new. Not many people know about this. Yes, and you want to capitalize this right away. You want to make most of the time that you have, because from the 6 months from now, or maybe a year from now, everyone will know about it. And who knows, maybe ClickSwire will change the commission bracket, or it's gonna make some new rules. God knows what's gonna happen, what future holds for this website. But as far as I'm concerned, as far as right now, it's pretty dope. You gotta try this. It's like almost like free money. So hope you learned something from here. You're gonna apply this, and let me know in the comments. Please like this video. I really need some likes. Come on, guys, I'm doing some good stuff here. Give me some likes and subscriptions, of course. And before you move on to the next video, I'm giving away a free ebook which you can download from the link in the description of this video. No strings attached, no spammy stuff. You just click and download. It's about how to make it big in affiliate marketing world without having a product, and it's something that you really need to see. It's very useful material, and the content is gonna help you a lot. So go ahead, download the book, and thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.